guys, today we're going to be making the delicious Dodotto Tsubu Pyon do-it-yourself candy kit in the flavor Grape. Within the bag is a container where you're going to be mixing and making your candy, 4 candy packets of different colors, a spoon, an octopus squeegee, and you're also going to need some water. Inside the container with the indents there is a line. Fill the container up to that line with water. Now take the blue packet and pour it into the water, and then stir until the powder is mostly dissolved, if not completely dissolved. The other container also has a line indented halfway. Fill the container to the line with water. Take in the silver packet with the pink oval, pour the contents into the water and stir until mostly dissolved, if not dissolved. Now for the fun part, or at least I like to think so. Take your little octopus buddy and squeeze his head while his tentacles are in the red liquid. Hover him over the blue liquid and slowly begin to squeeze the red liquid into it. This will form little red salmon egg balls. Continue doing this until you are all out of red liquid or even can't get any more. I usually just take the spoon to the last bit of it and eat it. This is thusly why I think it's my favorite part. Whatever you want to do with the last bit of the red is up to you. Next, you're going to take the orange packet and pour it into the container that once contained the red liquid. Take 2 spoonfuls of water and pour it into the powder and stir until it is a foamy texture. After, take the red packet and pour in the sprinkles into the yellow foam. Lastly, take the spoonfuls of the red dots and also put them in the foam. And then you're all set to eat your delicious candy. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe.